For today's activity, we will need cardboard, glue, sharpener, eraser, pencil, a paintbrush, a pair of scissors and sand. We will first draw a Ganesh Ji with a pencil. We can draw Ganesh Ji as we like. While making different forms of Lord Ganesha, we should be very careful about few characters of his image. The trunk should be long, the stomach should be big and round. Lord Ganesha is also called as Lambodar because of his big stomach. Ears should be big like a hand fan. Friends, please make sure that use the pencil with a light hand. As you all know, Ganesh Ji is the god of wisdom and prosperity. We worship Lord Ganesha before the start of any puja. Kids also love Lord Ganesha very much. Lord Ganesha was very naughty and mischievous in his childhood, just like us. And yes, don't forget to draw a mouse. A mouse is the vehicle of Lord Ganesha. Then we can use a black sketch pen to make an outline of Ganpati Ji. Friends, as I complete the outline, you can also start drawing Lord Ganesha. You can also share this video with your little friends. Once the outline is ready, we can apply the glue in the white area of Ganpati ji. We can also use a mixture of Fevicol and some water instead of glue. After the glue is applied, spread the fine sand over the glue. While applying glue, let's take care that we apply it in small portion so that the glue does not dry. Press the sand gently on the glue so that it sticks firmly on the paper. Spread the sand equally. Let it dry for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the extra sand by holding it vertically and tapping it gently. If there is still some white space left, apply the glue again and spread the sand on it. Let it dry. Our Ganesh ji is ready. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Undir Mama ki Jai.